Hey everybody, it's Kevin from the awareness.website with another video for Awareness Tai Chi. So we're continuing our continuing classroom classics here. And man, it's been a long summer, and thanks you guys for being patient with us. It's been a long 5 months, but it kind of flew by. We've been so darn busy. I've been doing lots of different kinds of work and stuff, and beating up my body, which, man, I'm so happy that I got the Tai Chi to keep myself in shape, keep things working properly and fixing the broken parts. I mean, I've hurt my knees, my ankles, my elbow, broke my hand, hurt my back, and if it wasn't for the Tai Chi, I'd be hobbling pretty bad. And that reminds me of a story of Mr. Moy, and he had a translator, and she was sharing this story about how she used to do lots of rock climbing, and it used to really tighten up her wrists and her tendons in her arms and stuff, and the Tai Chi really helped keep that limber. And she was relating the advice from Mr. Moy of the Tai Chi is great for all your activities and stuff. It's really great and really helps your rock climbing, but the rock climbing doesn't really help your Tai Chi. And man, that's so true. And we do so many things that are so hard on our body, and having the Tai Chi works on it. But we do these things, and it's such a detriment to our Tai Chi. So it's a tough balance sometimes. But you do what you got to do, and just really appreciate the Tai Chi that you've got, and work on it hard. Practice it. It'll keep your body in good shape. So it really helps with your lifestyle. Quality of living, so to speak. We've been out of commission here for a while, but we're going to pick up where we left off with the moves. So hang in there. We'll be right back, and we've got the next moves for you in the Continuing Classroom Classics. Okay, so here we are ready to get into the moves. So the last move we had was flying at a slant. So you come around, you up and hold the ball, and then the palm out, tee over a fence kind of thing. Now this is the next chance in the set. So 20 moves later, we're coming back to a move that we're shifting from left to right. So it's another chance to practice that sideways kind of movement and turning the spine and shifting it with the raised hands, and white stork spreads wings. So we're going to get right into that, and we'll see how that goes. I was at the workshop in Nanaimo with some great people. I was looked after by a wonderful couple, Ava and Reg, and just absolutely wonderful hosts, and met a whole bunch of our viewers out there, which is great. The workshop with Philippe Gagnon, he's from Montreal. Awesome, lots of good stuff, and just really makes me realize I've got to work on lots of stuff too, but it's great to have someone like that so that I can get more information and learn and expand on my Tai Chi. So we'll maybe throw a little bit of that stuff in here. I'm still working on some of that to figure it out and how it applies to the set. But as we go through it, and as we go through the moves in upcoming videos, we'll toss some of that stuff in there just as little treats and see how that goes for you. And by the way, this is our new studio. I should have mentioned that earlier, but let us know what you think of it. We're kind of got everything tossed together and set up, so hopefully it works on the videos and everything. So again, let us know. Okay, let's get to the moves. So from flying at a slant, we've come around, and then we go into raise hands, step up. So from the strike, repulse monkey right, you're up, and you come around, flying in a slant, and then tee over a fence. Okay, so that's where we're ending up. Now, from here, you're going to half step, up, raise arm, raise hands, and put the hands in front. Then we're going to go into White Stork Spreads Wings. Okay, so let's break it down. From the T over a fence, just as you finish this extension, this arm extending out helps to pull this foot in. So it's just a half step. It's not stepping all the way in. You get in too close, usually we've popped up out of our sit and dragged the foot in like that. So we've lost the connection with the body. So because we're relaxed into this front foot, we want to stay relaxed into there. This extension here pulls the foot in, and then we push up into the back foot, raise hands. Put the heel down, and hands come to the front. So most of the weight's in the back, but there's an expression in this heel just to help stabilize the hips so we can kind of relax down into it. There's no weight in it. You don't want to have the weight forward. The weight is back, but there's an expression here. You're not kicking the hips back by straightening that leg. It's bent, you're sitting down, and with that expression, so that kind of connects the hands in front. So you express out, and as you finish that expression, the foot comes in, push up, raise hands, heel down, and relax. So the body turns forward into the direction of the hands, and this arm lines up with the right leg. So the right arm and the right leg line up, and as this hand comes across, see it just naturally kind of helps turn you to the front. So express out, half step, raise hands, and relax. Okay? Now from there, what happens is as you relax down, then you open the arms. Okay? Relax, open. So just relax up, come down, hold the ball, step out sideways. So notice I turn and sit into this side, the left side. Shift across. So again, here's this shift across. And then as this left arm expands out, that's the cue for the left foot to step in. And then now you've got to push from the leg, turn the wrist to push up. Couple of things that happen with this move is you just sort of relax the weight and then relax the weight back down. Step out, shift across. Shift across, arm expresses, the toe comes in, so you're just touching the toe, but keep the sit in the right leg. Now, how do you get the bottom hand to come past this arm? Can't leave this one here, but you turn. So remember our foundation exercises? So when you've stepped in, the wrists turn. So, and as you're pushing with the leg, that arm is expressing up and the left arm is expressing down. So there's a separation between the two hands as you rise. So bouncing the arms like we do the arm rotations and the wrist rotations. So you've got danyus, you've got toyus, you've got the turning. So you can apply all the foundations into a move like this. Once again, half step up, raise hands, heel down, open, relax down, shift across, express, toe, and push up. And we'll do it in this direction. So express and half step, raise hands, heel down, open, relax down, step out, the toes turned in a little bit, shift across, toe touches, and push up. So notice you have a little bit of space here, so this is just like whip to one side with your feet spacing. So this one should be slightly ahead of the other one, giving yourself a little bit of room, and you've got your inline stepping. So you don't want it crossed over here. So when you shift in and step in, don't step in too tight. Keep it open here. One more time this direction. So half step, raise hands, heel, open, relax down, step out with the toe turned in, shift across, express and the toe comes in, push up. So there I can feel this foot's a little bit too close. I stepped in a little bit too close. Okay, one more time. So step up, raise hands, open, hold the ball to the side, step, shift, express, toe, push up, white stork spreads wings. So got all that? Lots of stuff to think about in a simple move. Sorry, I'm getting a verbal message, a quiet verbal message from Shelley.
Follow along.
Follow along. She's saying it's time to follow along.
Oh, I thought you were going to be done. Sorry.
Well, no, I was getting there. Okay, so I'll turn around and we'll do it a few times so you can follow along with me as though you're right behind me in the set. So if you were to that side of me, we're going to do flying at a slant. We're going to turn around here. Get back in the middle of the camera here. Turn, up and hold the ball. Relax and step. Express out as the arm extends. Then the foot comes in, half step. Raise hands, turning to the left. Heel down, hands in front. Open, hold the ball to the side. Step, shift across. Express and the toe touches. And then push and come up. Okay, so one more time, as if I actually meant that. Flying at a slant. Line up your feet so you're setting your angles. Relax down, step. Tee over a fence, arm expresses, foot steps in. Stand up and raise hands, heel down, hands in front. Open. Hold the ball to the side, step with the toe turned in, shift across, express, the toe touches, push, so you stayed in the sit so that you can push with the leg, and that leg push is what drives the arms. The arms don't do a whole lot. The arms are quite relaxed, everything's very soft, and it's the legs pushing that drives things out, and so the arms express from that leg push. So once again, flying at a slant, up, shifting. So you shift, relax down, express out, half step, turn to the left as you raise hands, heel down, turn to the front. Open, turn to the left, relax into the left leg, step out, shift across, express, the toe touches, push from the leg and let the arms turn and express. Again, most of the weight's in the back leg. This toe is touching just to stabilize things. So there's an expression in that toe. So almost a light push, but just an expression that expresses out through the hands. Most of the leg push is in the right leg. Okay. One more time, nice and smooth. Okay, I'll give you one more shot at it. I think we got time on the camera. Okay, so practice lots. Like us on Facebook, check out the website, subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think, send us our comments. And again, welcome back, or we're welcome back. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Good to see all you guys. I'm sure you guys missed us as much as we miss you. So take care, we'll see you next week. Bye.